Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the duration of the video on the dashcam on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this menu icon that can be found in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Settings, scroll down and click on Smart Cam in the Features section. Scroll down to the Dashcam subsection and here click on Video Duration under Video Quality. And here you can select from 4 options ranging from 1 minute to 15 minutes. So click on the relevant option, and when you are done, tap on the Done button on the right side in the middle of the screen. As you can see, it has been changed, but feel free to change it anytime by tapping on it and selecting another duration. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.